Welcome to ICSC Help YouTube channel. Today very important topic for ICSC and as well as ISC exam for 2021 and 22 student, because the council has tremendous change in the pattern of his exam due to COVID-19 pandemic. He has changed and converted the whole exam into two pattern, into two system known as semester first and semester two, term wise exam. First time in council, the first time the council has changed the exam term wise, or it is known as semester wise. Semester wise, there will be two semester, it means two term in the exam of ICSC as well as ISC exam for 2021 and 22. This design of exam, this system of exam is only applicable for 2021 and 22, and after that it will be analysis and then it will be keeping on or cancel. The council had told that the exam will be depend on bifurcated system. Bifurcated system means two type. Second, in two type divide the exam. So now in this video we will explain about the system has been changed and what is the feature of first system and second system, and what is the feature of first semester, second semester, term wise, first term, second term. We discuss this topic in detail so that student could not put any type of confusion on the exam of this 2021 and 22 exam pattern. First of all, the exam will be divided into two parts. Exam will be divided into two parts. The first part is semester 1. The semester 1 will be on what is the time period of semester 1? Time period. Which time semester 1 exam will be held? It will be held on November 2021. November 2021. It means you have only 3 months for your preparation. Only 3 months for your preparation. And what is the mode of this type of exam? The mode of exam of this type is online only. Only online exam will be held on semester first. And what include the syllabus in the first semester? The syllabus include only 50% of reduced syllabus. 50% of reduced syllabus will be added, include in the semester first. And which type question will be asked? Question type. Which type question will be asked in semester first? The question type will be only MCQ, multiple question type. Only objective question will be asked on semester 1. And what is the marks of semester 1? Marks will be 80. The paper will be done on maximum mark 80 and 20 mark will be given for the project, and the 20 mark for project. This 20 will be project and 80 will be theoretical question, optional question, There will be 4 options of each question, and you should only tick the correct option after solving. The desired option will be ticked. And now we will discuss about the semester 2. Semester 2, it means term 2. it was the term first. You all know that the time period of the semester first was November 2021, but the time period of the semester 2 will be March or April of 2022. It will be March or April in 2022. The mode of semester first was online. The mode of semester first was online, but the mode of semester second will be online or offline. It will be depend on the pandemic situation of the country of that time. It will be depend on the pandemic situation of the country of that time. So you have no choice to give online or offline. It will be informed you by the council that the semester 2 will be online or offline exam. This is only depend on the pandemic situation of the country of current time. The syllabus, it is in the semester first term the 50% of reduced syllabus, and in semester second term 2 the 50% of rest reduced syllabus will be covered on final semester 2. Now the important point of this video is the question type. What will be the question type of final or semester 2 exam? In semester first exam you have know that there will be only MCQ, but in semester 2 there will be all type question. I means this is just like a normal exam. Hence your preparation should be fully and be ready for all type question of normal exam. If there will be online exam, then it is also all type question. No only MCQ question. In all type it will be MCQ. It will be figure based wise. It will be descriptive, short answer, very short answer, numerical, and all type question include in offline or online mode. What is the mark? The mark will be 80 in theoretical question, and 20 mark of project, practical, and so on. Like this, project or practical. 100 and 100 will be 200 mark, but 200 mark will be divided by 2 to get the final marks. It means your one paper will be only 100 marks, because 100 of this and 100 of this adding and divide by 2 to get the 100, and you will be calculated, your answer sheet will be calculated only on 100 number. What is the condition and what is the syllabus? The student has now confused which chapter will be on 50% reduced syllabus and which chapter will be in second term 50% of reduced syllabus. You do not know. You don't know which chapter include in this semester and which chapter include in this chapter. So the council had decided to release the chapter wise list for semester 1 as well as for semester 2, so that students could not confuse about their chapter, about their topic, about their syllabus, and he or she can prepare their exam very easily. And this is the final of two system only for 2021 and 22 syllabus. If in any case the second term exam is cancelled, suppose that the pandemic situation is very high or any other reason, the second term exam will be cancelled by the council. Then the first term exam will be treated as the final exam and your mark will be awarded only on the base of the first term exam. So don't be confused. Prepare the exam very seriously of the first term and do not think that it is very easy, it is only MCQ, it is only online. Don't be confused. Prepare yourself as a board exam of this semester first exam, because in the future it may be become the final exam only first term if in case of semester 2 has been cancelled. Now the syllabus of the first term chapter wise and the syllabus of second term chapter wise of the separate subject for ICSE class 10, for ICSE class 10 and ISC class 12. ICSE class 10, only class 10. This system is applicable only for class 10 and ISC only class 12. The syllabus, separate syllabus for semester wise, name of chapter, name of topic will be published soon by the council, and we will upload the video of semester first chapter syllabus and the semester second chapter wise syllabus in our next video. For any confusion about the exam, please comment us and we will solve your problem as soon as problem. Don't be hesitate. Please like this and share it the video. Thank you.